Good morning, students of class 4. Today we will start the next chapter in your English literature books. That is the poem On the Bridge. I had told you all to read the poem, students. I hope you all have read it at home. Now let us go and see what is there in this poem for us to learn. Come, let us go to the slideshow. On the Bridge by Kate Greenaway. Kate Greenaway was an English children's book illustrator and writer. She was among the three most influential children's writers of her times. In this poem, the speaker and a companion are standing on the bridge and watching things around them. As they stand there, they wish to see many things: a fish, a spider, a flower boat. The poem presents these simple things in a manner that brings great delight. So students, in this poem, the speaker and her companion meaning a friend, both of them are standing on the bridge. And they are watching things that are around them. And they are wishing for many things. They are wishing they'll see a fish, they'll see a spider, they'll see a flower boat. And the poem presents these simple things. All these simple things that they are wishing for, the poem shows us this. And it brings great delight. Delight meaning happiness. Now let us go to the poem, students. If I could see a little fish, that is what I just now wish. I want to see his great round eyes, always open in surprise. I wish a water rat would glide slowly to the other side, or a dancing spider sit on the yellow flags a bit. So students, over here we see in the poem that the speaker, and her companion are both on the bridge. Companion, as I told you, is her friend. And now what is happening? She is saying, I wish I could see a little fish. She is wishing to see a little fish with big round eyes. And the eyes of the fish is open in surprise. Big round eyes of the fishes which are open in surprise. She wants to see. What else she wants to see? What else she wishes to see? She wishes to see the water rat. Water rat would glide. Glide meaning to move very smoothly. She wishes to see the water rat gliding very smoothly in where? The bridge is there, water is below. So she wishes to see the water rat moving smoothly in the water. From one side to the other. She wishes to see that the water rat moves very smoothly from one side to the other. And she wishes to see the spider prancing. Prancing meaning moving about. Prancing meaning moving about. She wishes to see the spider prancing from one side to another. So all these things she wishes. What does she wish? She wishes to see fish. She wishes to see water rat. She wishes to see spider. So all these things she wishes to see. Dancing spider. Why dancing spider? Meaning a spider moving from one place to another. Now let us go to the next part of the slide. I think I'll get some stones to throw and watch the pretty circle show. Or shall we sail a flower boat and watch it slowly float? That's nice because you never know how far it means to go. And when tomorrow comes, you see, it may be in the great white sea. So, now what is she thinking? she is thinking that she will get some stones. She is thinking that she will throw these stones into the water from the bridge. And when you throw stones in the water, children, have you seen what happens? Round, round circles come now when you throw it in the water. That's what she's saying. That when she's thinking that when she throws the stones, round, round circles will come in the water. Okay. And she's saying either I will throw the stones or I will make one boat, a flower boat, and put it to sail in the water. And she was thinking that I'll make a flower boat and do it and put it to sail in the water. That is a good idea. Why? Because the flower boat will go to another side, will go right till the sea. Sailing, 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 it will go far away into the great wide sea. So, she wants to put the flower boat into the water so that it sails and sails and sails and goes to the great wide sea. That is why she thinks making a flower boat is a great idea. So this story is about the speaker and the companion on the bridge wishing to see such things, wishing to do such things, thinking to make a flower boat and put it into the water so that it will go into the great wide sea. All these things they are wishing to do, and all these things she thinks is it gives them great delight. It gives great happiness. So this poem gives all of us also great happiness when we imagine this. Okay? Is it clear to you? Okay? So, you will read the poem at home, okay? Read it really nicely, learn it nicely, learn the poem nicely, okay? And now we will go to the word meanings. Some difficult word meanings are given to you. You have to write them in your English literature copy. Learn the word meanings well. Word meaning, first one is glide, meaning move smoothly and quickly. Second one, a bit meaning a little while. So students, please learn these two word meanings and write it in your English literature copy. You will also learn the poem and write the poem in your English literature copy. Now, the question and answers I will give you in your next class. Okay, and below my video, below this video, this PPT what I have taught you, that is below my video. You can download the PPT at home into your own device and read the poem and learn the word meanings well. Thank you and God bless you.